Welcome to JK Restoration, Repair, and Collectibles. We do all kinds of things. Today, I'm going to work on the check engine light on my van. So it's a P0023, which is camshaft position sensor. After we diagnosed, it's a bad sensor. So it looks like this. And it's located down here. First, I'm going to take this apart, and then I'll show you where it's located. Alright, let's do it. Get this out of the way. Unplug this. Tuck that in there. Air filter. We're going to remove this hose too. There you go. Now we're going to remove this steering fluid reservoir. Get this out of the way. I'll pop this up. Alright, if you look at it right here, this is the one that we need to replace. This one is still okay. This is the one that given us P0023. This will give you P0020 code. So we're going to go remove this one. We're going to use the T20. First, let's disconnect the adapter. Alright. I know my hand is blocking the view. I'll do my best. There's one. There it is. I'm assuming this is the problem. See, it pops out. It's kind of oily, but I think that's normal. Let me check the new one. See, the new one stays up. gonna have to reuse the gasket. I think what I gotta do is put this gasket in first. Alright, so I put the gasket in, and that was a pain in the ass. Especially this thing being in the way. But yeah, there's the gasket. I pushed it back in. Alright, now it's time to put a new piece in. Oops. Let me recover that one. Alright, got it. Alright, plug this adapter back in. Okay. I know it's hard to see, but there's a new piece. Let's put everything back together and see what happens. Alright, so I think everything is in. Put this thing on. Alright, we're going to go inside, reset the code, and give it a try. So you got the one code, there's a P0023. So let's erase it. Alright, now let's start this thing. There you go. No check engine light on. So far so good. You have to drive this thing around a little bit. Let's read the code again. Let's scan this tool. Alright, so we got 0 code, so we'll cross the fingers. Alright, so little recap. If you guys have a P0023 code, it's camshaft position sensor, you got good chance bad sensor, but you got to do a lot of diagnostics to figure that out. I fixed mine like this, so and it was cheap part. So y'all want to see more repairs, please subscribe, hit the like, share, notification bell, you name it. Let's keep subscribing. Peace out.